My name is Ajjit. I was a student at James Logan High School, and I took the Excel Test ACT prep course, and I got a perfect score on the January 2014 exam. I actually arrived a little late that morning, so I was kind of stressed out when I was taking the test. And when I got out, I was kind of shaky. There were some parts that I did well on, some parts that I didn't do well on, and I thought I would get an okay score, but I was never expecting a perfect score. So I was just in a classroom and I just checked it with my phone, and when I first saw the perfect score, I thought it was a mistake because I'd never scored a perfect score on any practice test before that. But then when it slowly started to sink in, I still couldn't believe it. And so I just called my mom and said, "You won't believe what happened. I got a perfect score," and she was really happy for me. And I also told some of my friends, and they were also just really happy for me. And it was overall just a really great surprise. I think the best piece of advice I got, and I didn't really follow it, was take as many practice tests as you can. It's the best way to familiarize yourself with what's on the test, and the more and more you take it, you'll start to see patterns of questions that pop up. And so I know it's hard, and you have to sit down for 3 hours, set aside a chunk of time, but it's worth it if you keep at it, and it's probably the best single way to improve your score. I would highly recommend Excel tests to all my friends, and it's a great way to prepare for the ACT exam. Excel tests helped me familiarize myself with the test, locate what areas I was deficient in, and then help me correct them.